were a subscriber back last Halloween. Let me know, have I improved? Hi guys! Welcome back to a brand new video. This is the first Halloween video of 2022 and I normally just do like makeup based videos around Halloween. I've not done any yet so far, so this weekend is going to be filled with Halloween makeup looks for Monday. Let me know what you're getting up to on Halloween. I'm literally doing nothing. I am working that day and then I'm going home and watching movies probably. Pretty much nothing. But I like to be creative with my makeup, so I'm going to show you this Harley Quinn makeup look I do pretty much every single year. Last year I got the Harley Quinn makeup palette from Revolution, so that is the same palette I'm using today in this video, but you don't need the exact same palette I've got. You just need different shades of blue, a red or a pink depending how you want to do this makeup look. Some people would say she wears red on one of her eyes, some people might say she wears pink. But with this makeup palette, it has pink, as you can see right there. So I will be just doing pink and blue. So the first thing you need to do is obviously your base makeup. So I'm going to fast forward this bit just because you just need to do your base makeup. So what you normally do, just do that. So this is my base makeup. I don't put much on, but if you are going to put foundation on, I would recommend doing the eyeshadow look first, but I just put concealer on, so I normally just put it on first and then do my eyeshadow look. Really depends on what mood I'm in. If I fancy doing my eyeshadow first and then my concealer, concealer and then eyeshadow. But normally if I do get some dusting underneath my eye from the eyeshadow, I just put more concealer on, like after I've tried to wipe most of it off. That might sound bad, but yeah. Let's get into the eyeshadow look. So this is the palette that I've got. There's pink shades, there's dark purple shades, there's a silver blue that looks really nice, there's a sky blue and then a really dark pink as well, and then some shimmers, green, purple, two purple shimmers, and then a white. So let's see how the Harley Quinn makeup look will turn out. I'm going to start with the blue eye, so this one here, because when you are watching it, it should be the pink ones on this side. I think so, I don't know. I'm just doing it whatever way I want. Now with this makeup look, I feel like you can never have too much. So I'm just making it as bright as I can. It actually looks brighter on camera than it does in real life. But I would not recommend to wear this out on a normal day. Probably like just the eyeshadow if you made it nice, but not the droopy like this bit here that I'm starting to do. So that is pretty much the base of it. I might touch it up a little bit. But now I'm going to go on with the blue glitter. That is that one here. Now I would normally put a eye primer over it, but because I want it to be as blue as possible, I'm just going to put the blue shimmer over the top. Now I feel like you can do whatever you want with this makeup look. To me, if you have that, it pretty much looks like Harley Quinn, and I want to clarify I'm not a makeup artist, so This is why I'm trying to say, I'm showing you how it's like the typical Harley Quinn makeup look looks like, but I'm not a makeup artist, so it's not gonna look perfect. So this is the blue eyeshadow. Now we're gonna go onto the reddy pink, one more pink eyeshadow look on this eye. You're pretty much copying what you did on this eye onto that eye, but obviously the droop will be done this way, and it's pink. I also want to say you don't have to put glitter on. I just love my glitter, and when you get the option to put glitter on in this makeup palette, I would use it, but I just love my glitter. Now I'm going to sort this because I put way too much and this bit's not meant to be there. But this is the eyeshadow for now. Now I'm going to put some purple eyeshadow on this eye. Just, I feel like with how pink it is, the purple eyeshadow might look pink. I don't know, we will find out. The purple I'm using, by the way, is this one, not that one. Now to finish this makeup look off, she has white or black eyeliner on. I've got no white eyeliner, but I'm going to put some black eyeliner on and then onto lipstick. And then the final step that I am always scared to do is the little love heart. Now I have just realised I've got no black eyeliner either, so we won't be doing the black eyeliner, but you can do black eyeliner or white eyeliner, or you could just do like blue there and pink there. That might be nice as well. But we're gonna go straight onto the lipstick. Now I have got this lipstick this year. I think my sister got it in a box for Christmas, and I only wear or use red lipstick for my Halloween video, so this is the first time I'm using it. This is the red. It's looking more like Harley Quinn now. I generally think that's the best way I've done the lipstick for many years. I don't know if the eyeshadow is better than last year. Now, if you have an eyeliner, I find you can normally just use that. But I have got a wing liner, but I cannot do wings. So I'm just going to use it for the love heart. And I have tried to practice, but knowing me, this will probably fail. But you need to concentrate on this bit. That's the best love heart I've done. Whenever I started this Harley Quinn makeup look, that's literally amazing. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be higher up, but that is amazing. Colouring it in has kind of made it worse, but I don't know. Let me know if you were a subscriber or a viewer back last Halloween. Let me know, have I improved? If so, good. But also let me know in the comments if you're gonna do, what happened to my voice, if you're gonna do this Harley Quinn makeup look. If not, I've got a Joker makeup look coming out over the weekend. I might do another one, I don't know. Might be Friday, Saturday and Sunday. We'll never know. But I'm definitely doing a Joker makeup look on Saturday or Sunday. So stay tuned for that. If you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, you could also couple up and your boyfriend could do a Joker look, or your girlfriend can do a Harley Quinn look, or you could both, if you have a girlfriend and you're a girlfriend of yourself, like your girlfriend and girlfriend, you can do a Harley Quinn look and a Harley Quinn look. Or if you have a girlfriend who is more tomboy and you're more the girly girlfriend, you can do the Harley Quinn look, and then your tomboy girlfriend can do a Joker look. And then same with the boyfriends. So you can do this with any couple, or if you just want to do this with a friend or just on your own. This is how you do it. Obviously, I'm not a makeup artist, but this is my attempt from doing the Harley Quinn look. I'm quite impressed. I think I need to do less of the crying face, but I'm quite impressed. Hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, there'll be a Joker makeup look for the first time. I've never done the Joker makeup look this weekend. Hope you all have an amazing Halloween, and yeah, let me know what you're going to be for Halloween, and I will see you with the brand new video over the weekend. Bye!